Welcome to our ConX Mobile overview. Today we're going to learn how to access ConX Mobile by using this PWA. So first you're going to type in the mobile-conx.com on your phone and you'll see the worker login. So I'll make it look like what you see on your phone. So there's two different types of accounts, the worker and the company login. So you're going to click here to see which type of account that you want to log in as. And this is the worker account. There we go. So we have the worker account. We're going to type in our email and our password. And this worker account has been assigned to a project. So we can see the overview when we first log in. So if you click on, so you can see the overview. If we click on that taskbar, you can see overview, tasks, and profiles. Those are the three different options. And on the overview, you can see the date, calendar. Right here, you can see the time. So if we click into tasks, these are the pending dates where the workers can submit to the accounts. So you can see those different ones. Under the history, you can see the completed tasks. Right there. And then if we click on pending, you can be directed to the workers form. So for example, like let's say you worked 8 hours, you could type in 8 hours right here and click submit for validation. And once you submit this, the data will then have to be verified by the company's supervisor. So we'll click on the history to see the data, but it's not verified yet, so you won't see it like in this actual one. But then if we click on profile, we can see that the worker's data is right here. If you need to edit it at all, you can click on edit, and then the top right, you can log out. So next thing I'm going to show you is the supervisor's account and how we're going to verify the worker and actually check it out. So the supervisor then will log into the company login, so with the username and password, and then they're directed to the overview. So again, you can see that there are a bunch of similarities, but the supervisor has more categories. You have overview, tasks, submit time logs, and profile. And so if we look at some of the specific ones here to see what we just did, we'll click on tasks, and you can see all the projects. So we'll click on the one that we just submitted. And this right there, so this one was just submitted with the 8 hours. And then the supervisor can double check everything on the information and decide if they want to deny or approve this specific one. So I will approve it. And then you can see the two different tabs with pending and approved. So you can see that this one is now approved and it moves over here. And then in the submit time section, this is where the supervisor submits and assigns projects. So we can see the timesheet, and then we can actually submit it here. So we can look at the total hours, and then our data is successfully changed. And you can just make sure that everything looks great. And then you can even look at the profile, same thing as the other view. So I'm going to show you the last one. This is the login as the project manager this time. So again, it's the company just with the different credentials. And the manager has a few less options. They can either submit the time log or check. And so under check, we can see our workers in the specific projects. And this is where the hours are officially approved. You can see that they're approved in here. And the project manager can also submit hours if he or she wants. And there it is right there. So thanks for taking time to learn about how to access ConX Mobile today.